This is a 24-week fetus. We can clearly observe the fetal abdominal structure and the intracranial structure. The Nuewa I9 has Mindray's SmartScene 3D function, providing 4 evaluation modes in obstetrics, the brain, the spine, the face, and long bones. It's easy to operate and the positioning is precise. Let's take the fetal brain as an example. We first select the thalamus plane. Click SmartScene 3D and the instrument would automatically recognize it as the brain mode, provisioning the appropriate image parameters and fitting the ROI frame to the right size and location according to the image. Then, click the Update button and the 3D data would be collected. This function streamlines parameter adjustment and makes the operation simplified. The SmartPlanes CNS will auto-start after data collection to capture the fetal median sagittal plane, the thalamus plane, the cerebellar plane, and the lateral ventricle plane. Click the Measurement button on the touchscreen to automatically complete the 6 measurement items required for fetal head assessment, and click Notes to automatically annotate the intracranial anatomical structure. The automatic identification, measurement, and annotation features of SmartPlanes CNS enable fast completion of fetal central nervous system examinations and increase diagnostic efficiency. In the fetal central nervous system, Nuewa I9 is configured with an industry-pioneering feature, Smart ICV. The intracranial volume measurement can be done with only one click, just by pressing a single button. This function provides clinical value in microcephaly diagnosis and fetal growth and development assessment. After examining the central nervous system, let's take a look at the fetal face. It's often time-consuming to capture a good fetal face view. To solve this issue, Nuewa I9 introduces Smart Face. By pressing one button, it removes facial occlusions to obtain a beautiful 3D face view image. After we get a fetal face view, press the Smart Face button on the touchscreen, then a beautiful fetal face image is captured. At the same time, the clinical scenario-based user interface is displayed on the touchscreen, directly accessing image effects of various scenarios that can be fast switched. At iLive mode, 4 light source type options are offered: parallel light, point light, spotlight, and volume light. 360-degree rotation is available to enhance stereoscopic visualization, generating realistic fetal displays even better. After observing the fetal face, let's take a look at Nuewa I9's performance in the fetal heart. 2D images with high frame rate and high resolution display the fine structure of the fetal heart, and blood flow images with high sensitivity show minute blood flow abnormalities. With the additional glazing flow function, it displays strengthened stereoscopic blood flow images with clearer flow velocity indication. Microvascular imaging can also be well displayed. And that's how Nuewa I9 works brilliantly in obstetrics. Pelvic floor disorders are common diseases that diminish women's quality of life. Conventional pelvic floor evaluation has a long measurement list, and the operation is complex. That's why Nuewa I9 adds Smart Pelvic and SmartScene 3D. They reduce lots of operation steps and minimize the examination time. At present, Mindray supports transvaginal and transperineal examination modes. Here, we take the transperineal mode as an example. First, we select the plane for measurement, and then enter the function of Smart Pelvic to select the reference coordinate system. At present, we support the 3 reference coordinate systems, and then place the standard points one by one according to the instruction in the lower left corner of the screen. Finally, the instrument will display the values that need to be measured. This greatly simplifies the operation procedure and saves time. After all rest and Valsalva measurements are completed, the instrument will automatically calculate the bladder-neck descent, retrovesical angle and urethral angle, etc. After 2D measurement, we start 3D examination. We can select SmartScene 3D here. The pelvic floor's image parameters are provisioned. The ROI frame location and size are automatically optimized according to the image and linked with Smart Pelvic. Clicking on Update, the standard minimum plane of the levator hiatus will be displayed automatically, and the measurement of its area will be automatically completed. This operation is further simplified, and it makes pelvic floor assessment much less complicated. You can also click on the Multiplanes button to display the open, closing, closed plane, or the 3x3 display. In this way, it greatly reduces the complexity of manual adjustment and standardizes the pelvic floor check procedure. From here, we can see that Smart Pelvic can minimize the operation flow of pelvic floor examination and enhance diagnostic efficiency in both 2D measurement and 3D examination.